Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to take a quick look at some LED turn signal bulbs. These bulbs are the 7440 bulb type. I got them from Amazon from company LivTee. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. They have a 1-year warranty. You have to register online. Now these bulbs have 6 chips per face and 4 faces. Nothing on top. Don't mind my injury. I hurt myself earlier in the week. They have a 2-blade connector and are marketed as a CAN bus LED so that they won't have the hyper flash that you often see on LED bulbs. If I can get the focus right. Alright, let's just power these up to 14 volts. LEDs have a very fast response time, and these are incredibly bright. So let's fire them up real quick. Click, click. If you can see on the display, they draw about 1.7 amps when active. These don't have a huge amount of heat sinking, which is why they're designed to be turn signal bulbs that are only pulse on, pulse off. If on for over a second, they will automatically dim to prevent overheating. I'll demonstrate that now. As you see, they drop down and the current drops to 0.2 amps. Again, just to keep the lifespan of the bulb in check. You don't want these overheating and going out. They will eventually heat up if you're turning or leave the signal on for an extended period of time, reducing the brightness to that dim flash, but hopefully that would keep them from going out. In the end, these are going in the future headlight build project, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, consider hitting that like button and sharing with your friends. And if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates. That's all I have for today. Can't wait to see you in the next video.